Hi guys, welcome to week 6 of keyboarding. So far you have completed all of the beginner lessons, which is wonderful. So now we're going to be moving on to some more advanced stuff because you know all of the letters in the alphabet. You don't know all the keys on the keyboard yet, but you do know all the letters. So you can type quite a bit more now. So one of the things we're going to do to reinforce your practice is problem keys, like you saw yesterday. And we're also going to be adding on some different digital literacy stuff. So it's just some basic information about computers. And I'm going to be assigning you some new stuff this week. So when you get on typing.com, you are under lessons on your homepage. You're going to go down until you get to Tech Readiness. And you're going to click on Tech Readiness. And then these are going to come up. And so it says computer basics, parts of a computer, what makes a computer run. That was number 2. Number 3 is using a mouse. And several times a week, I'm going to be assigning these. So what these are is they're not typing, but what you have to do is you have to watch a short video. And sometimes you can't, there's like informational text you have to read. This one is a video. And while you're watching the video, you can also read the transcript, which is where they type out everything that was said in the video. So if you're ever having a hard time listening to the video, you can also look back here. And then you have to take a quiz. Okay. So your quiz is, for this one, it's 9 questions. And whatever grade you get on your quiz is the grade that will go into Student Connect. So if you take your quiz and you get, let's say, a 56%, that's an E. I give you a 5.6 out of 10. That's 56%. That's failing. So you need to make sure you're actually watching these videos and you are taking the quiz seriously because it's going to directly affect your grade, okay? So you're going to take the quiz, and here you can, once again, go back to the transcript. It can help you if you need it, or rewatch the video if you missed something after you read the question. Notice that because it is, it's just multiple choice. You just click on the one you think it is. I'm just clicking a random one, and I'm going to click submit answer. I'm literally just clicking on random things. I'm not even looking, so these are not the correct answers. Clickety click. There's 9 questions. You're actually going to read these. I'm not reading them. I'm just clicking to show you. Okay. And after you take it, you get your score. So I got 3 out of 9 questions correctly. If I click, or I can see if I go down, what I got wrong and what the correct answers were. I did not do very well. 3 out of 9 is 1/3. 1/3 is 33%. That's failing even worse than a 56%. That's really bad. So if this were me and I got a 3 out of 9, I would go back and watch the video again and make sure I understood it, and then take the quiz again. If I go back to the lessons, it shows me my score right here. It says quiz score, 33%. I definitely want to redo that until I have a passing grade, okay? So you need to be checking on which ones I am putting in, which ones I'm assigning you. And then, like I said, whatever grade you get on that quiz is the grade that will go into gradebook. So make sure your grade is a passing grade. If you have questions about this, you can email me.